Hello everyone, this is Tina from the Crafty Muffins. Today's video is a DIY pencil pouch made out of a Pringles carton. The materials you need are an empty Pringles carton, craft foam, hot glue or silicone glue and a zipper. If you do not have a Pringles carton, then you can also use an empty cardboard tube. Measure 7 inches on the tube like so. Join the markings to form a line like so. Cut it with a craft knife or a cutter. You can discard the top part of the tube. Use a scissor to make the edges smoother. Now measure 2 inches around the tube as shown. Cut it. Clean the tube thoroughly for any leftover food particles. Take some blue craft foam. Glue the top part of the tube to the foam with a glue gun. Cut off the excess foam. Glue the bottom part of the tube to the foam. Cut off the excess. Now start gluing the foam around the tube like so. Cut off the excess foam. Repeat the same with the other piece. Now take some black craft foam and cut it into thin strips. Glue it to the edges like so. This will make it look neater. Now take a black zipper. Start gluing the zipper to one of the tube pieces like so. Start gluing the zipper from the point where the foam piece has a joint. Open the zipper so that you can easily glue the other piece. Start gluing the other piece like so. Cut a piece of blue foam and glue it to cover the joint. This will be the back portion of the pouch. I have now taken a pointed pincer and I am going to go over the foam like so. This will give it the sort of fuzzy effect. You can use a pointed scissor if you don't have the plucker. Now take a piece of beige foam and draw a cookie on it. Cut it, it should look something like this. Now take a brown sketch pen and shade the cookie like so. With a cotton bud, blend the shading out. Draw chocolate chips on the cookie with the brown sketch pen. Now glue the cookie to the front part of the tube. On a piece of blue craft foam, draw hand. You need 2 of these pieces. Glue them so that it looks like they are holding the cookie. Now take a piece of white foam, draw 2 circles over it for the eyes. Glue the eyes to the pouch. Cut 2 smaller circular pieces from black foam. Glue these within the eyes like so. I also cut 2 pieces from blue foam for the feet and glued it like so. With a thin tip marker, I then made an outline for the cookie, the hands, the eyes and the legs. Your pouch is ready. You can now store pencils, pens, your colors, etc. in this pouch. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you folks and bye-bye.